I am Mike Comer with Amphenol RF at Mobile World Congress 2025. We're here promoting some of our RF connectors, our products. Today we're promoting a range of RF connectors, including our legacy products, SMA connectors, SMB connectors, MCX connectors, as well as some of our board-to-board solutions, our high-power products, AFI, HD-AFI, and then some industry standard solutions as well, like PSMP, SMP and SMPM products. In addition to our standard products, we offer custom solutions such as our AFI-DART products here. We also have products that are using connected vehicles, our FAKRA and mini-FAKRA products here, PCB connectors as well as cable assemblies, which offers a modular solution in a compact package that can be combined with other pin types as well.